How to earn money from blogging by using ChatGPT. Are you passionate about writing and have been thinking about starting a blog? Have you heard about ChatGPT and wonder how you can use it to make money from your blog? If so, you've come to the right place. ChatGPT is a powerful language model developed by OpenAI that can generate human-like text. It can be used for a wide range of applications, including blogging. In this video, we'll show you how you can use ChatGPT to create engaging and informative blog posts that can help you earn money. First, let's talk about how to use ChatGPT to generate content for your blog. You can start by typing a few sentences or keywords related to your topic of interest. For example, if you're writing about health and fitness, you can type how to lose weight or best exercises for abs. ChatGPT will then generate a response that you can use as a starting point for your blog post. The key to using ChatGPT effectively is to understand that it's not a substitute for your own creativity and expertise. Instead, think of it as a tool that can help you generate ideas and save time. You can use ChatGPT to come up with headlines, subheadings, and even full paragraphs, but make sure to add your own insights and perspective to make your content unique. Another way to use ChatGPT to make money from your blog is to target high-paying keywords. You can use a keyword research tool to find popular search terms related to your niche that have a high cost per click (CPC). Then, use ChatGPT to create blog posts that target those keywords. If you can rank for those keywords, you can earn money from advertising or affiliate marketing. Finally, make sure to track your blog's traffic and earnings to see what's working and what's not. You can use tools like Google Analytics to track your traffic and see which blog posts are getting the most views. You can also use affiliate marketing programs like Amazon Associates to earn money from product referrals. So there you have it. By using ChatGPT to generate content, targeting high-paying keywords, and tracking your traffic and earnings, you can make money from your blog. With a little creativity and hard work, the possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel for more info. Lastly, check out the link of our website in the description box.